the nutritional benefits of eating beef burgers and why it's good for you. Beef burgers have been a staple in the American diet for decades, offering a delicious and satisfying meal option loved by many. While there has been ongoing debate about the health implications of consuming beef, it's important to recognize that when enjoyed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, beef burgers can actually be good for you. We will explore the nutritional benefits of eating beef burgers and why they can be a valuable addition to your diet. 1. Rich in high-quality protein. One of the primary reasons why eating beef burgers can be good for you is their high protein content. Beef is an excellent source of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids your body needs for various functions, including muscle growth, repair, and overall health. Protein is essential for maintaining and building lean muscle mass, supporting a healthy metabolism, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied after a meal. A single beef patty can provide a substantial portion of your daily protein requirements, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to meet their protein goals. 2. Abundant in essential nutrients. Beef burgers are not just about protein, they also provide essential nutrients that are crucial for overall health. Beef is a rich source of several important vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins. Beef is particularly high in B vitamins, such as B12, B6, niacin, B3, and riboflavin, B2. These vitamins play key roles in energy metabolism, red blood cell production, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Iron. Beef is one of the best dietary sources of heme iron, which is highly bioavailable and easily absorbed by the body. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in the blood and preventing anemia. Zinc. Beef is a good source of zinc, an essential mineral that supports immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Phosphorus. Beef provides phosphorus, a mineral vital for bone health, energy production, and the proper functioning of cells and tissues. Including beef burgers in your diet can help ensure you receive a well-rounded supply of these important nutrients, contributing to your overall health and well-being. 3. Satiety and weight management. Contrary to popular belief, eating beef burgers can support weight management when consumed as part of a balanced diet. The high protein content in beef helps increase feelings of fullness and satiety, which can reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial for individuals looking to manage their weight or improve body composition. Additionally, protein has a higher thermic effect of food, TEF, compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning it requires more energy to digest and metabolize. This can contribute to a modest increase in calorie expenditure, making it easier to maintain or achieve a healthy weight. 4. Supports muscle health and recovery. For individuals engaged in physical activities, whether it's regular exercise or sports, beef burgers can be an excellent choice to support muscle health and recovery. The protein in beef plays a crucial role in repairing and building muscle tissue, making it a valuable addition to post-workout meals. Additionally, beef contains essential amino acids like leucine, which is particularly important for muscle protein synthesis. Including beef in your diet can help you meet your daily amino acid requirements and optimize muscle growth and repair. 5. Nutrient-dense choice. Beef burgers are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a substantial amount of essential nutrients relative to their calorie content. This makes them a valuable choice for individuals looking to maximize their nutrient intake while managing their calorie consumption. Compared to many processed or fast food options, homemade or restaurant-quality beef burgers can be prepared with high-quality ingredients, allowing you to control the overall nutritional profile of your meal. By choosing whole-grain buns, adding plenty of vegetables, and using lean ground beef, you can create a nutrient-rich burger that supports your health goals. 6. Versatility and enjoyment. Beyond their nutritional benefits, beef burgers are beloved for their versatility and delicious taste. You can customize your burger to suit your preferences, adding a variety of toppings, condiments, and side dishes to create a satisfying and enjoyable meal. The enjoyment of food is an essential aspect of a healthy diet. When you genuinely relish your meals, You are more likely to feel satisfied and less inclined to overeat or indulge in less nutritious options. A well-prepared beef burger can be a source of culinary delight that fits perfectly into a balanced diet. 7. Responsible consumption. It's important to note that responsible and sustainable beef consumption can also have positive impacts on the environment. By choosing beef that is raised using sustainable practices, such as grass-fed and pasture-raised options, you can support ethical and environmentally friendly food production. When selecting beef for your burgers, consider purchasing from local sources and farms that prioritize animal welfare and sustainable farming methods. This approach not only benefits your health but also contributes to a more sustainable food system. Conclusion. In conclusion, eating beef burgers can indeed be good for you when done in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. They provide an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, and can support feelings of fullness and weight management. Beef burgers can also be a valuable addition to the diets of individuals looking to maintain or build muscle, and they offer a nutrient-dense option that contributes to overall health. To maximize the nutritional benefits of beef burgers, consider choosing lean cuts of beef, incorporating whole grain buns and plenty of vegetables, and savoring your meal with a mindful approach. Additionally, supporting responsible and sustainable beef production can have positive environmental and ethical implications. When enjoyed responsibly, beef burgers can be a flavorful and nutritious part of a healthy diet.